तुम क्या खा रहे हो? What are you eating? What are you eating? मैं पिज़्ज़ा खा रहा हूँ। I am eating pizza. I am eating pizza. तुम कहाँ खा रहे हो? Where are you eating? Where are you eating? मैं रेस्तरां में खा रहा हूँ। I am eating in restaurant. I am eating in restaurant. तुम क्या खाना चाहते हो? What do you eat want? What do you eat want? मैं नूडल्स खाना चाहता हूँ। I want to eat noodles. I want to eat noodles. तुम कब खाओगे? When will you eat? When will you eat? मैं 2 बजे खाऊंगा। I shall eat 2 o'clock. I shall eat 2 o'clock. क्या तुमने खाना खाया? Did you eat the food? Did you eat the food? हाँ, मैंने खाना खाया। Yes, I ate the food. Yes, I ate the food. तुम इसे क्यों खा रहे हो? Why are you eating this? Why are you eating this? मुझे पसंद है इसलिए खा रहा हूँ। I like it, that's why eating this. I like it, that's why eating this. वह रोज़ चावल खाता है। He eats rice daily. He eats rice daily. वह कहाँ खा रहा है? Where is he eating? Where is he eating? जाहिर है अपने घर खा रहा है। Obviously he is eating at his home. Obviously he is eating at his home. वे रात का खाना कब खाते हैं? When they eat the dinner. When they eat the dinner. वह क्या कर रही है? What is she doing? What is she doing? वह काम कर रही है। She is doing work. She is doing work. वह कहाँ काम कर रही है? Where is she doing work? Where is she doing work? वह एक बड़ी कंपनी में काम कर रही है। She is doing job in multinational company. She is doing job in multinational company. वह कैसा काम करती है? हाउ डज शी वर्क डू? हाउ डज शी वर्क डू? वह पूरी ईमानदारी के साथ काम करती है। शी वर्क्स डू विद फुल ऑफ ऑनेस्टी। शी वर्क्स डू विद फुल ऑफ ऑनेस्टी। तुम क्या करना चाहते हो? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? मैं कुछ अलग करना चाहता हूँ। I want to do something separate. I want to do something separate. कुछ भी करो। Do something. Do something. तुम एक महीने में कितने पैसे कमाते हो? How much money do you earn in a month? How much money do you earn in a month? मैं एक महीने में 50,000 रुपये कमाना चाहता हूँ। I want to earn 50,000 rupees in a month. I want to earn 50,000 rupees in a month. मैं हमेशा खुशी में रहना चाहता हूँ। I want to live in happiness. I want to live in happiness. यहाँ आ जाओ और उसे लेकर आना। Come here and take that. Come here and take that. बिना परेशान हुए इस काम को करो। Without any tension, do this work. Without any tension, do this work. तुम्हें क्या हो गया है? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? ज़्यादा समय बर्बाद मत करो। Don't waste time too much. Don't waste time too much. बिना ट्यूशन के 12th पास करो। Without tuition, do 12th class pass. Without tuition, do 12th class pass. क्यों? क्या तुमने बिना ट्यूशन के पास की है? Why did you 12th class pass without tuition? Why did you 12th class pass without tuition? हाँ की है, यह सच है। Yes, I did. It is true. Yes, I did. It is true. उससे मिलो इज्जत के साथ। Meet him with respect. Meet him with respect. क्या वह बहादुर है? Is she brave? Is she brave? उसने साबित कर दिया कि वह बहुत बहादुर है। She proved that she is absolutely brave. She proved that she is absolutely brave. मुझे प्लॉट के कागजात की ज़रूरत है। I need the papers of plot. I need the papers of plot. आरुष की जमानत हो गई है। आरुष हैज़ बेल्ड। आरुष हैज़ बेल्ड। उसकी जमानत कब हुई? When he bailed. When he bailed. उसकी माँ के लिए यह बहुत खुशी की बात है। This thing is very good for her mother. This thing is very good for her mother. नौकर को बुलाओ। Call the servant. Call the servant. कृपया एक पत्र लिख दीजिए। Please write a letter. Please write a letter. मैं 2 घंटे तक क्रिकेट खेलता रहूँगा। I shall have been playing cricket for 2 hours. I shall have been playing cricket for 2 hours. क्या तुम एक पुस्तक नहीं पढ़ती हो? Do you not read a book? Do you not read a book? मैं आम खा रहा हूँ। I am eating mangoes. I am eating mangoes. ये लड़कियाँ गीत गा रही हैं। These girls are singing songs. These girls are singing songs. राम का भाई छाता खरीद रहा है। Ram's brother is buying an umbrella. Ram's brother is buying an umbrella. मैं कल कानपुर गया था। I went to Kanpur yesterday. I went to Kanpur yesterday. हम आज आगरा से आए हैं। We came from Agra today. We came from Agra today. पिताजी आज दफ्तर गए थे। Father went to office today. Father went to office today. उन लड़कों ने पुस्तकालय में शोर मचाया था। Those boys made a noise in the library. Those boys made a noise in the library. ये लड़की कल रो रही थी। This girl was weeping yesterday. This girl was weeping yesterday. दरवाज़ा बंद करो। Shut the door. Shut the door. सदा सत्य बोलो। Always speak the truth. Always speak the truth. अब मुझे सोने दो। Let me sleep now. Let me sleep now. वे लड़के अपना समय कभी भी नष्ट नहीं करते हैं। Those boys never waste their time. Those boys never waste their time. मैं अपना पाठ याद कर चुका हूँ। I have learnt my lesson. I have learnt my lesson. मेरे पास एक साइकिल है। I have a cycle. I have a cycle. मीरा के पास एक रेडियो है। मीरा has a radio. मीरा has a radio. मेरे पास बहुत सी पुस्तकें नहीं हैं। I have not many books. I have not many books. राहुल दिन में सोया करता है। राहुल is accustomed to sleep in the day. Rahul is accustomed to sleep in the day. वह प्रतिदिन यहाँ नहीं आया करती थी. She did not used to come here daily. She did not used to come here daily. गरीबों का अपमान मत करो. Do not insult the poor. Do not insult the poor. रेलगाड़ी आने वाली है. The train is about to come. The train is about to come. यह खेलने का समय नहीं है. This is not the time to play. This is not the time to play. तुम्हें वहाँ जाने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. You need not go there. You need not go there. मैंने उसे चिल्लाते हुए सुना था. I heard him cry. I heard him cry. मुझे यह सुनकर दुख हुआ है. I am sorry to hear this. I am sorry to hear this. जब तक मैं ना आऊँ यहीं ठहरो. Wait here until I come. Wait here until I come. यदि तुम पढ़ते तो पास हो जाते. If you had read, you would have passed. If you had read, you would have passed. मेरे आने तक यहीं बैठिए. Please sit here till I come. Please sit here till I come. मैं तुमसे बड़ा हूँ. I am older than you. I am older than you. वह यहाँ आया था और मैं चला गया. He came and I went. He came and I went. यह पुस्तक लो और वह पेन दो. Take this book and give that pen. Take this book and give that pen. क्या तुम्हें घंटी सुनाई पड़ रही है? Do you hear the bell? Do you hear the bell? वह अब पढ़ने लगा है. He began to read. He began to read. रेलगाड़ी जाने वाली है. The train is about to go. The train is about to go. वह आग के पास बैठी हुई थी. She was sitting beside the fire. She was sitting beside the fire. क्या तुमने कभी सफ़ेद हाथी देखा है? Have you ever seen a white elephant? Have you ever seen a white elephant? क्या सुबह से वर्षा हो रही है? Has it been raining since morning? Has it been raining since morning? मैं 2 बजे से नहीं खेल रहा हूँ. I have not been playing since 2 o'clock. I have not been playing since 2 o'clock. क्या तुम इस बात को समझ रहे हो? डू यू अंडरस्टैंड इट? डू यू अंडरस्टैंड इट? आओ और मेरे पास बैठो। कम एंड सिट बिसाइड मी। कम एंड सिट बिसाइड मी। रेलगाड़ी जाने वाली है। द ट्रेन इज अबाउट टू गो। द ट्रेन इज अबाउट टू गो। कल यहाँ कौन आया था? हु केम हियर यस्टरडे? हु केम हियर यस्टरडे? कल तुमसे कौन मिला था? Whom did you meet yesterday? Whom did you meet yesterday? आपकी उम्र कितनी है? How old are you? How old are you? इसकी मरम्मत में कितना समय लगेगा? How much time will it take to repair? How much time will it take to repair? उससे सलाह मत लो। Don't take advice to him. Don't take advice to him.